Earwax, also known as cerumen, often gets a bad rap. We think of it as something gross we need to remove, but earwax is a natural and essential part of our ear health. Produced by glands in the ear canal, this sticky substance plays a crucial role in protecting our ears. It traps dust, dirt, and other foreign particles, preventing them from reaching the delicate eardrum. This protective barrier helps prevent infections by keeping bacteria and other microorganisms at bay. Unlike what many people believe, earwax is actually a self-cleaning agent. Earwax is generally beneficial, but sometimes the natural cleaning process gets disrupted, leading to buildup. This can happen due to excessive production, narrow ear canals, or improper cleaning methods. Some people are prone to producing more earwax due to genetics or ear canal shape. Narrow ear canals make it harder for earwax to migrate out, increasing buildup. Cotton swabs often push earwax further into the ear canal, worsening the problem. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Plus, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Earwax buildup doesn't always cause noticeable symptoms, especially in its early stages. However, as the earwax accumulates and hardens, it can lead to various discomforts and even affect your hearing. One of the most common indicators of earwax buildup is a feeling of fullness or pressure in the ear. It may feel like your ear is plugged or underwater. You may also experience some degree of hearing loss, which can range from muffled sounds to difficulty understanding conversations. Another telltale sign is ear pain. While not always severe, the pressure from impacted earwax can irritate the ear canal, causing discomfort or pain. In some cases, the buildup can also irritate the nerves in the ear, leading to itching, ringing in the ear, or even dizziness. If you experience sudden hearing loss, severe ear pain, drainage from the ear, or fever, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. These symptoms could indicate a more serious ear infection or other medical condition that requires prompt treatment. What are the risks of untreated earwax buildup? While earwax buildup might seem like a minor inconvenience if left untreated, it can lead to more significant complications. The accumulated earwax can harden and become impacted, making it extremely difficult to remove without professional help. Impacted earwax can worsen existing hearing loss, making it challenging to communicate effectively. This can be particularly problematic for children, as even mild hearing loss can interfere with speech and language development. Furthermore, the buildup of earwax can create a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. This can increase the risk of developing painful ear infections, which may require antibiotics or other medical interventions. In rare cases, chronic earwax buildup can even lead to damage to the ear canal or eardrum. This can result in permanent hearing loss or other complications that affect ear health. Seeking relief and knowing treatment options for earwax buildup. If you suspect you have earwax buildup, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Attempting to remove earwax at home using cotton swabs, ear candles, or other objects can worsen the problem and potentially damage your ear. Your doctor can safely remove earwax using various methods, such as irrigation, suction, or specialized instruments. Ear irrigation involves gently flushing the ear canal with warm water to soften and dislodge the earwax. Suction, on the other hand, involves using a small suction device to carefully remove the earwax. In cases of impacted earwax, your doctor may use specialized instruments such as curettes or forceps to gently break up and remove the hardened earwax. In addition to professional removal, your doctor may recommend over-the-counter eardrops to soften the earwax and make it easier to remove. These eardrops typically contain ingredients like hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, which help break down the earwax. Let's prevent future problems. Here are a few tips for healthy ears. Preventing earwax buildup is generally straightforward and involves adopting healthy ear care habits. The golden rule is to avoid inserting any objects into your ear canal, including cotton swabs, bobby pins, or your fingers. Instead of attempting to clean your ears internally, focus on cleaning the outer ear. After showering or bathing, simply wipe the outer ear with a soft towel or washcloth. This helps remove any excess earwax that has naturally migrated out of the ear canal. If you're prone to excessive earwax buildup, your doctor may recommend using over-the-counter earwax softening drops once or twice a month. These drops can help keep earwax soft and prevent it from hardening and impacting the ear canal. Regular checkups with your doctor, especially if you wear hearing aids or have a history of ear problems, can also help identify and address earwax buildup early on, preventing potential complications. Let's summarize how to take care of your ears. Earwax is a natural and essential part of our ear health, acting as a protective barrier and self-cleaning agent. However, various factors can disrupt the natural earwax removal process, leading to buildup and potential complications. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and risks associated with earwax buildup, we can take proactive steps to protect our hearing and ear health. Remember, never insert objects into your ear canal and always consult a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment. By adopting healthy ear care habits, seeking professional help when needed, and prioritizing regular checkups, we can ensure our ears stay healthy and functional for years to come. Remember, don't stick anything in your ear until you've consulted a doctor. Your health is priority number one, so always seek professional advice first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.